Hey guys, so if you want to connect your Pioneer DJ to speakers, so to do it, how it needs to be done, you need an RCA to XLR cable and you need to plug the RCS into the output of the Flex 4 and then plug the XLR to the speaker. So if you have like this for the Pioneer DJ Flex 4, is that you need an RCA to XLR cable and you need to plug the RCS into the output of the Flex 4 and then plug the XLR into the speaker. So that's it. You need to like use RCA to mini jack cable and you should be fine. And then you have to hook laptop up to your Bluetooth device, then go into your settings on whatever software you're using and change the audio out to your speaker device. So this is when you want to use it through the Bluetooth, if it doesn't have the cable for it. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this quick video for you.